Emanti impilo kunjalo nje alilungelo lawonke lakuleli ke linenkinga yemanti lahlobile kanzi lokhu kuthiwa kubangelwa kungalandzelwa kwemithetho nemigomo lebekiwe.
We will be upping our game on compliance issues, including penalties on polluters. So it's two things that we are saying to them. Stop polluting. Where you fail to comply, you will be dealt with via penalties.
Mchunu ukhala ngekuthi kungcola kwemanti kubangelwa kakhulu bantfu kanjalo netinkampani letahlukene letivele ticitse emifuleni. Utsi luhlelo lokukhuculula kungcola lokusedamini ival luyachubeka.
Work is underway with regard to the pumps there. At some point, we went there ourselves to look at what had been done up to then in terms of refurbishing the pumps there. And we're soon going to start with the wastewater treatment plants.
We must always respect the groundwater in terms of its health and not over-abstract, because then we can cause damage, and which will mean that the cracks underground would close up and we may not get the water from the aquifer as it was planned to be or designed to be. So abstraction patterns must always respect the health of our aquifers.
Litiko lemanti lembiwako ibohol ngiwo langaba sisombululo njengoba simo selitulu sibonakala siya ngekuba sibi kakhulu mhlabawonkhe.